Welcome to our kitchen. In the realm of comfort food, few dishes are as satisfying and nourishing as a well-made lentil soup, brimming with hearty lentils, aromatic vegetables, and a medley of herbs. This humble soup has the power to warm the soul and delight the senses. Join us as we explore the art of crafting the perfect lentil soup, step by step, embracing the ingredients. At the heart of lentil soup lies the humble lentil, a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, combined with a colorful array of onions, carrots, celery, and tomatoes. These ingredients form the foundation of a soup that's as wholesome as it is delicious, creating flavorful broth. To infuse our lentil soup with depth and complexity, we start by simmering the lentils and vegetables in a flavorful broth. This broth, seasoned with aromatic herbs like thyme and bay leaves, transforms the simple ingredients into a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate with each spoonful. The magic of simmering. As the soup simmers gently on the stove, the ingredients meld together, releasing their essence into the broth. The lentils soften and swell, absorbing the savory goodness of the broth, while the vegetables become tender and fragrant, their natural sweetness enhanced by the slow cooking process. A touch of elegance. Just before serving, we add a splash of balsamic vinegar to our lentil soup. This seemingly simple addition adds a layer of complexity and sophistication, balancing the earthy flavors of the lentils with a subtle sweetness and acidity that tantalizes the taste buds. A symphony of senses. As we ladle the steaming soup into bowls, the aroma of herbs and vegetables fills the air, inviting us to savor each spoonful. The rich broth clings to the lentils and vegetables, delivering a burst of flavor with every mouthful. Each bite is a celebration of simplicity and nourishment, a reminder of the joy that comes from savoring the simple pleasures of life. Versatility and adaptability. One of the greatest joys of lentil soup is its versatility. Whether enjoyed as a comforting meal on a cold winter's day, or as a light and refreshing dish in the summer months, lentil soup can be adapted to suit any season or occasion. Feel free to experiment with different herbs, spices, and vegetables to create your own unique variation of this classic dish. Conclusion. In a world filled with fast-paced living and instant gratification, lentil soup serves as a comforting reminder of the simple joys of home-cooked meals and shared moments around the dinner table. With its nourishing ingredients, rich flavors, and soul-warming qualities, lentil soup continues to hold a special place in our hearts and kitchens, offering solace and sustenance to all who partake. So, the next time you find yourself craving comfort and warmth, why not whip up a batch of lentil soup? Let its savory aroma fill your kitchen and its rich flavors fill your soul, as you embrace the timeless art of homemade cooking. Thank you all for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, the heart of every great recipe is the love you put into it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time.